Good morning, students. Now let's do some numericals based on parallel and series arrangement. Beta, firstly example 12.7. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm. बेटा सुनो, ये कंडक्टर है और एक लैंप है. इसका रेजिस्टेंस है 20 ओम और इसका है 4 ओम. आगे क्या बोलते हैं? आर कनेक्टेड टू ए 6 वोल्ट बैटरी. ये किससे कनेक्टेड है? 6 वोल्ट बैटरी से. बेटा एक बीच में की भी लगा दो ऑन ऑफ करने के लिए. बेटा पॉजिटिव साइड दिस, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. आगे calculate the total resistance of the circuit, current flowing through the circuit and the potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. Firstly we have to calculate the total resistance. बेटा एक एमीटर और लगा दो जिससे कि करंट मेजर करने के काम आएगा वो. Look here, this is resistance, this is bulb. Both of them are connected in series. When the resistance of bulb are connected in series, total resistance is R1 plus R2. So here total resistance in series is 4 plus 20 equal to 24. This is our A part. Next, the current flowing through the circuit means we have to calculate I. In B part we have to calculate I. Here battery is of 6 volt. It is given in the question. We know that V equal to 6 volt. R equal to total resistance of the circuit is 24 ohm. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, or if we have to calculate I equal to V upon R. What is V? 6 upon 24. So it is equal to 1 upon 4 ampere, that is 0.25 ampere. This is the current flowing through this ammeter, flowing through the circuit, and the reading comes in the ammeter. Next, the potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. Beta suno, while explaining series arrangement, I told you that this voltage get distributed among the component which are in series in the circuit. तो सर्किट के अंदर दो कंपोनेंट्स हैं. पहले की रेजिस्टेंस 4 ओम है और दूसरे की बल्ब की कितनी है? 20 ओम. इन दोनों को कितनी वोल्टेज मिलेगी? तो क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा है इन्होंने कि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस इलेक्ट्रिक लैंप एंड कंडक्टर. इसको इन्होंने कंडक्टर कहा है और ये आपका लैंप है. तो आपके कंडक्टर में कितना जाएगा? एक कंडक्टर का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस निकालूंगी. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज द वोल्टेज. बेटा सेम थिंग कंडक्टर में और लैंप में. सो V इक्वल टू आई आर. V हमें निकालना है. आई एम राइटिंग है V इक्वल टू आई आर. लेट दिस इज V1 and this one is V2. Means here the voltmeter is V1 and here the voltmeter is, here is V1 and here is V2. For V1, V equal to I R1 because current will remain same in both the components. So V1 equal to, what is I? I is 0.25. It is same in both the cases. Into what is R? 4. So it is equal to 1 volt. Now in case of lamp, again V2 equal to I into R2. 0.25 into what is R2? 20, which become 5 volt. Now look here, 5 plus 1, it become 6 volt. So this was all about example 12.7. Now come to the question in text question on page number 213. Draw a schematic diagram of a circuit constituting a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each in text question page number 213, page 213, question number 1. Draw a schematic diagram of the circuit constituting a battery of 3 cells. बेटा बैटरी बनानी है 3 cells की, 1 2 3, इनको ऐसे और इधर से ऐसे आप इसमें कनेक्ट करोगे। ध्यान रखना, अगर ये कनेक्ट है तो यहाँ गैप आएगा आपका बेटा, इस तरीके से चलेगा ये। आगे बैटरी ऑफ 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor and 8 ohm resistor, 12 ohm resistor and a plug key. 3 resistors हैं, 1 2 3 5 ohm, then 8 and 12 ohm, 8 ohm 12 ohm, a plug key, तीनों सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है। बस इसमें एक प्लग की लगा दो और ये तीनों आपके सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है और ये आपका करंट का डायरेक्शन होगा। ये इस तरीके से आपका सर्किट डायग्राम बनाना है। जब भी इस तरीके से आपका आता है 2 वोल्ट का ईच सेल है तो 2 इंटू 3 इक्वल टू टोटल कितनी होगी 6 वोल्ट बेटा। Redraw the circuit diagram. अभी क्वेश्चन 2 में क्या बोलते हैं? This was question number 1. Just you have to draw the circuit diagram. Redraw the diagram, putting an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors and a voltmeter to measure the potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. Means एक तो आपको इसी सर्किट डायग्राम में एमीटर लगाना है और 12 ओम के नीचे एक वोल्ट मीटर लगाना है जो इसका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेजर करेगा। आगे व्हाट वुड बी द रीडिंग इन द एमीटर एंड द वोल्ट मीटर। मीन्स आपको एमीटर में से करंट निकालना है, एक तो आई निकालना है। करंट तो सेम आएगा तीनों में से, एक ही वैल्यू आएगी। और इधर जो है ना, सपोज इसको हम ले लें V1, तो V1 निकालना आपको इधर वाले का, इन दोनों का नहीं निकालना। नाउ टोटल रेजिस्टेंस वी नो R1 प्लस R2 plus R3, this become 5 plus 8 plus 12 equal to 25 ohm. Voltage is 6 volt. 6 volt. We know I equal to V upon R. V is 6, R is 25, so this becomes 6 upon 25 ampere. Now we are having the current now. Now we have to calculate V1 for 12 ohm resistor. Now V1 equal to, again V equal to IR, V1 equal to IR1. We are putting here R1 for this one, because now we have to consider resistance only this one, no need of taking these two, because we have to calculate voltage across 12 ohm resistance only. So current will remain same in all the 3 resistors. What was the value of current? 6 upon 25 into 12. So it will become 6 into 12 upon 25. It will come out to be 2.8 approximately, better 2.8 volt. Now beta, next example 12.8. Now question is, in a circuit diagram given, suppose the resistor R1, R2 and R3 have the values 5, 10 and 30 ohm. In the circuit diagram given figure 12.10. It is not given in my book. Okay, let's draw. R1, R2, R3 have the values 5, 10 and 30 which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Yes beta, it is given on page number 213. Diagram 12.10 on page number 213. 5, 10 and 30 ohm respectively which have been connected to a 12 volt battery. Now calculate the current through each resistor, total current in the circuit and the total circuit resistance. 5, 10 and 30 means we have three resistors, 1, 2 and 3. 5 ohm, then 10 and 30. 10 ohm, 30 ohm. We have to calculate current through each resistor. Let this be ammeter here. Total current, key, battery, voltmeter, positive, negative, arrow, positive, negative, negative. Like this you have to draw the diagram. Don't forget to put the direction of current beta. Question is, the current through each resistor means let I1 be the current through first, I2 and I3. A part. I1, I2, I3 you have to find out. Now current, you know, in case of parallel combination, different current flows through this, or they work or they take the current according to their requirement. So now we know I equal to V upon R. From Ohm's law, I equal to V upon R. Here I1 equal to V upon R1. What is V? In the question it is given V equal to 12 volt. 12 volt. So V is 12 upon R1 is 5. Means I1 is 12 upon 5 ampere. I2 means V upon R2 equal to 12 upon 10 ampere. Then I3 equal to V upon R3 equal to 30 upon 10. 12 upon 30 ampere. These are the values of the current I1, I2 and I3. Next, the total current in the circuit. Total current I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is equal to 12 upon 5 plus, it should be beta 12 upon, correct, 12 upon 10 plus 12 upon 30. Now LCM of 5, 10 and 30 is 30. 72. 5 into 5 6 into 12 ठीक 10 3 12 3 is 36 plus 12, it will become 70 80 90 100. Let them reduce, or that will be like this: 70 80 90 100 108, or this 120 upon 30, 4 ampere. So the total current flowing through the circuit is 4 ampere. This is right. Now what is the total resistance? B part is the total current हो गया, the total circuit resistance. This was B part. Now resistance. In parallel combination we know that 1 by Rp, C part, equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon what is R1? 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30. Now LCM is 30. 6 plus 3 plus 1. 10 upon 30. This is equal to, or RP equal to, make it reverse, equal to 30 by 10 equal to 3 ohm. 3 is less than the lowest value of the resistance in the circuit. The lowest value is 5, and 3 ohm is less than 5 ohm. So this was all about example 12.8. Now come to the example 12.9. Listen beta, in this question we are having resistance in parallel as well as also in series. Here two resistors are in parallel like this, then they are connected to the battery, then again there are three resistors in parallel, and neutral, and this is connected here. Here is a key, positive, negative, in the upward direction, current. The values of R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are given here beta. This is R1, R2, continuous, they are in continuity. Now R1 is 10, this is 10 ohm, 40 ohm, R3 is 30 ohm, R4 20 ohm, R5 60 ohm. Now the question is, calculate the total resistance in the circuit, the total current flowing through the circuit. Look here beta. Firstly, these two are in parallel, and here these three are in parallel. You have to calculate resistance of this one in parallel combination and this one in parallel combination, then adds them like as if they are in series. Firstly this one, let it be R1, R2, R3, R4, R4. 1 upon R dash equal to, let its total resistance is R dash. 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 40, 1 upon R dash equal to 40 LCM, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 40, or R dash equal to 8. Now let its total resistance is R double dash. 1 upon R double dash equal to 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 60, LCM 60, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6 upon 60. This is equal to 1 by 10, or R double dash equal to 10 ohm. Look here students, now if we consider this as a straight line, if we rotate it like this, then this one and this one will come in series. Now its value is R dash, means like this. If we consider it like this, this is R dash and this one is R double dash. Now both of them are in series. We have to add them. Now total resistance R equal to R dash plus R double dash equal to 8 plus 10 equal to 18 ohm. So total resistance of the circuit is 18 ohm. Now next is, what is the value of total current flowing through the circuit? The value of V was 12 volt battery beta. Here the battery was 12 volt. Now we have to find out I. That I equal to V upon R. What is V? 12 upon total resistance 18. This is equal to 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 2 upon 3 ampere, which is equal to 0.67 ampere. So this is the current flowing through the circuit.